Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today is the day 3 of Vadivalu sir's comedy scene reactions.
Yes, and this one is Villu movie airport comedy scene.
Yes.
Okay, from Vadivalu sir, and yes, we are
Of course.
very much excited because
Vadivalu
pehle
sir
wala
is
two
there,
videos
so
were like hilarious and awesome.
Yes.
So we are very
We
much
enjoyed
excited.
a lot.
A lot. Okay. So yes, let's get started for today's video. And if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
So चलो शुरू करते हैं. Okay.
Hello, everybody. Sir, what's the problem, sir? What happened, sir?
Attention, everybody. This is the control room calling. An African chimpanzee has escaped from the zoo. It will look and speak just like a human. Please arrest it the moment you encounter it. Over.
Okay, message received. Over. Okay, I'm keeping a watch.
Tell me the moment you see it.
Okay.
African.
I spotted the monkey.
Keep a watch on it. Don't let it escape.
My goodness.
Oh my god.
Send it
Doing
for
like
soon.
that
It looks
only.
dangerous. Come fast.
Oh my god.
Both photos are matching perfectly.
Perfectly.
Take it, slap right. 200% matching.
Take it to the zoo.
Sir, I am not African monkey. I am Pavam. Normal Manishan from India.
Indian?
Yes, India.
Bollywood?
I'm Hollywood.
No Hollywood, Bollywood dance, you know?
Yes.
Show, we will let you go.
ಮಾಡಿಸುತ್ತ ಮನುಷ್ಯದ ನಾನು ತೋಳ ಬಚ್ಚಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅರ್ರರ್ರ ನಾಕ ಮುಖ ನಾಕ ಮುಖ ನಾಕ
ನಾಕ
ಮುಖ
ಮುಖ, ನಾಕ
ಮಾಡಿಸುತ್ತ
ಮುಖ.
ಮನುಷ್ಯದ ನಾನು ತೋಳ ಬಚ್ಚಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅರ್ರರ್ರ ನಾಕ ಮುಖ
Now
ನಾಕ
this
ಮುಖ
is done.
அவனுக்கு ஆட ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டானுங்க நீ ஓட ஆரம்பிச்சிரு
Trying to get the water.
He's
from there.
escaping.
This was super fun.
Okay, sorry, no
अपना दुखियारी बोल रहा है.
ஐயோ இந்த ஊர் போலீஸ் உன்னை அவ்வளவு கொடுமைப்படுத்திட்டாங்களா? சரி அழாத விடு. நான் தான் போலீஸ் கிட்ட பேசி உன்னை காப்பாத்திட்டேன்ல. ஆமா, நீ எதுக்கு இங்க வந்த?
சின்ன வயசுல என் தம்பி வீட்டை விட்டு ஓடிட்டான். அவன் இங்க இருக்கான்னு நான் கேள்விப்பட்டேன். அதை கண்டுபிடிக்க தான் இங்க வந்திருக்கேன்.
A sad story.
அவன் இல்லாம நான் திரும்பி போக மாட்டேன்.
ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். அது சரி, அதென்ன தலை பாதி?
அதுவா ஏர்போர்ட்ல ஃப்ளைட்ல ஏறும்போது தட்டுச்சுன்னு எல்லாருமா சேர்ந்து கட் பண்ணி விட்டானுங்க.
ஓகே, டோன்ட் வரி மாடா. என் ஃப்ரெண்டு வீட்ல உன்னை தங்க வச்சு பாத்துக்கிறேன்.
தேங்க்யூ ஜானவி.
Oh my god, it's hilarious, man.
I like his dance moves.
I can dance you. I can show some dance moves. We'll let you leave. Oh god, then he was dancing like anything. African chimpanzee. I didn't get that. मतलब lip का जो वो लिया. African chimpanzee.
Means,
समझ गई,
he just
हाँ,
want to
I
show that
understood,
for,
हाँ.
for the normal human being, they used to take thumb impression for his
So lip impression. Vadivelu sir, you are great. You are great, and salute to you.
Your acting skills is too good.
Yeah, you are superb, and
I think you
Oof,
are
my
you are
jaws
one
are
of the
paining.
one of the people who can make laugh if anybody is too much sad also.
sad also.
Yes.
Ah.
In his depression mode also you can make him
You
laugh.
can make him laugh. Everybody, I think every single one, like from children to older people also,
Yes.
everybody will enjoy Vadivelu sir's video.
Right.
Vadivelu sir is a kind of like, god of comedy. You can say he's the king of comedy scenes. I think nobody can beat
And
Vadivelu sir.
some of our
Nobody.
friend only, he was telling that in Tamil Nadu most of the movie he will be there as
He'll
a
be
comedian.
there as a comedian.
Yes,
Ah.
he is the means is the one of the number one who has done movies. You can say.
Yes. So this is true only. Okay, we are seeing, and each and every videos whichever we are seeing in matlab Vadivelu sir is there, no, each and every videos are having different flavors and different level of comedy. Okay, so this is like outstanding. This is a true talent, because previously also we saw
on the industry.
Yes, definitely, because this is very tough, to make someone laugh. It's not an easy task. It is very difficult. Okay, but he has that capability that everybody is like laughing like anything.
Right.
He is talking in Tamil language. Okay, but we don't know Tamil, of course, but still we are enjoying, and we are getting that vibes. We are laughing like anything, so we can understand how Tamilian will react in this scenario.
And in general scenario
is
also,
too good.
general scenario also, if you see a movie, there is only one lead role, but
ha.
he is participating as a second lead role in every movie.
Very true.
Yes, he is taking that movie in his own shoulder, you can say.
Shoulder. Yes, we have seen recently. We have seen Kanchana 2 movie in Hindi.
I'm
I
not
don't know
sure
what is the name of that.
movie in Tamil, but in Hindi it was written Kanchana 2.
Kanchana 2. There also Vadivelu sir was
thief.
there. He was the thief. Okay, and that is a ghost movie. So he was the thief, and that hero is the police CBI inspector,
Yes.
right? So he was the thief, and that CBI inspector has like kept him as a assistant kind of in the house.
Yes.
So that movie, I don't know what is the name. Please let us know, because in Hindi the name
you just
is Kanchana.
search Kanchana to Hindi dubbed, you will get that movie, and
That movie.
just let us know.
Just
what
let
is
us
the
know, because
name.
we want to give reactions on that movie,
right.
because there also Vadivelu sir's acting is like
Superb.
superb. We
And
laughed like anything
also
when
it
we
was
are
dubbed
seeing.
in Hindi,
In
so
Hindi.
we liked it. That
We
also.
understand
understood
each and
everything.
every scenario, each and every context.
Yes.
My God, that was hilarious. So please let us know the name, original name in Tamil, because that movie
Yes.
is Tamil, na? Original.
I think it's Tamil movie. I don't know what
Tamil
is the
only, I
name
think.
of that movie. It was,
Please let us know
it was
that.
showing Kanchana 2, so let's
Yeah,
see.
in Hindi it is showing Kanchana 2 as a name, but in Tamil the name must be different. So please let us know what is the name. We would love to give reaction on Vadivelu sir's everything, like scenes. So this is hilarious. This is another 10 on 10 video.
Yes, of course. I liked
Right
it.
away, liked it a lot, enjoyed like anything.
I liked his facial expression during that time, and matching with each of different chimpanzee species. and when he gave that
He was
lip
eating
impression,
that banana also like a chimpanzee only. He is
his expression
doing
was
this
like that only, yeah. And
Clap.
when he gave his lip impression on the paper, it was 200% matched. That was hilarious.
Too good, man. So yes, we enjoyed like anything. You can definitely see that how we have enjoyed. Okay,
How we
This is
started
how
and
we
how we are ending up.
So my jaws are paining literally. So that is it for today's video. And now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from Ruben J. Ruben, and he's writing his comment on Friends Tamil movie scene reaction part 1, and he's saying super video, watch Vadivelu comedy, you will not get a heart attack because laughing is medicine for heart.
Very, very true.
Very true.
Very true.
Yes.
Laughing is, I think, not only for heart. Laughing is medicine for everything.
Everything. If you are sad, depressed, or you are thinking you are completely waste, then also if you watch
are
this
watching
all
this kind of video,
it will make your day.
it is a true medicine for everything. Okay, so heart के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. That is very true. Cardiac and all of
Exactly. Whenever you
for
are
that
happy,
thing,
whenever you are happy, it will give a boost to your body immunity.
very
also.
true. So yes, and Vadivelu sir is super duper, like in this scenario he is the super king of comedy.
Right.
So we are enjoying this series.
He's also acting as a immunity booster for us.
Immunity booster for us. Very true, very true. So yes, this series we are enjoying like anything, and we are hoping that you will also enjoy. I'm so sorry, there is a train going, so you must be hearing some noise. I'm so sorry. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much Rubenji for your comment and for watching our videos. So the second comment for today's video is from Rahul Kannan, and he's commenting, bro and sis, please react to Indrajit sir's birthday special mashup by AK Cuts. Tomorrow is his birthday, and Indrajit sir is the elder brother of Prithviraj sir. Oh, acha, Prithviraj sir ka elder brother hai.
He's great talented actor.
Then we have to do the reaction video by AK Cuts. Definitely, we'll be doing. Okay, so thank you so much Rahul for your comment and for watching our videos.
Yes. So third and the last comment for today is from Dinakaran, and he's writing his comment on Classroom Sothanaikal after lockdown reaction, and he's saying watch and react husband Sothanaikal from Mike set. Definitely lot of laugh.
ROFL.
Yes.
So yes, husband Sothanaikal we have already done.
Yes.
Okay, so if you search in our channel, just write down husband Sothanaikal, Mr. and Mrs. Pandit, you can definitely
I think that was
get
the first what I remember, that was the first
video
video of
from
Mike set
Mike set we have
given.
done.
Yes, I
Maybe.
think so.
Yes. So that was hilarious, by the way, and we fell in love instantly by seeing that video.
After that only we started giving a lot of reaction on Mike set videos.
Yes. So you can definitely see that video, and if you want, we can definitely leave the URL also after, like, under your comment.
Yes, we can reply that.
Thank you so much Dinakaran for your comment and for watching our video. So these are all the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone, whoever have commented, whoever subscribed us, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our video, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.